ask you something. What if luxury wasn't just about plush leather and chrome accents? What if it roared? Meet the 2025 Audi S8, a full-size luxury sedan that just might eat sports cars for breakfast. Yeah, you heard me. Because while it wears a tuxedo, this beast hides a V8 under the hood that growls like it's ready to start a fight. And the craziest part? It does all that with a straight face, calm voice, and the kind of elegance that turns heads without even trying. But wait, let's rewind. From the outside, the S8 is the kind of car that doesn't need to shout. It whispers power. Sharp lines, sculpted panels, and that iconic single-frame grille. It's not flashy, it's purposeful. You know those characters in movies who walk into a room and everyone just knows they're important? That's the 2025 S8, the new OLED taillights. They don't just light up, they perform. Literally. You get light signatures that change depending on your drive mode. Comfort, subtle and sleek, dynamic, bold and aggressive. It's like the car is expressing its mood. Who knew a taillight could flex under the hood? A 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 with, wait for it, 563 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. 0 to 60 in 3.8 seconds. That's supercar territory in a full-sized executive sedan. And here's the kicker. You barely feel it. The air suspension and predictive active suspension system smooth out every bump like you're floating on a cloud, while still cornering, like a smaller, lighter machine. Magic? No. Audi engineering? Absolutely. You can cruise the Autobahn at 155 mph in total silence, or tear up a mountain road and forget you're in something that weighs over 2 tons. The cabin is less car, more spaceship. Think Valcona leather that hugs you just right. Carbon fiber and aluminum trims that remind you, this isn't just luxury, this is performance luxury. 4-zone climate control, massaging seats, dual touchscreen MMI interface that's sharp, intuitive, and honestly kind of addictive to use. You ever get chills from tapping a screen? You will, and let's not forget the sound system. Bang & Olufsen 3D Premium with 1,920 watts and 23 speakers. It turns every drive into a private concert. Beethoven, The Weeknd, or a podcast. It's like sitting in a sound studio on wheels. Audi didn't hold back. Predictive suspension scans the road ahead and adjusts in real time. Night vision assistant spots pedestrians before your eyes do. And with Audi's Level 2 Plus driving assist, you're just a few steps away from autonomous luxury. Heads-up display, adaptive cruise, lane centering, it's all there. But it doesn't take over. It enhances you. You're still the boss, but now, you've got an army of sensors and algorithms watching your back. But here's the real magic of the S8. It's the duality. One moment, you're gliding through downtown in total serenity. The next, you floor it, and that V8 unleashes a symphony of controlled chaos. It's a boardroom by day, race car by night, a luxury yacht with rocket boosters, and that is why the 2025 Audi S8 isn't just another high-end sedan, it's a statement. Because in a world of flashy look-at-me luxury, the S8 is something rare, powerful, poised, and painfully underrated. So now, I gotta ask, if you could have supercar performance, first-class comfort, and next-gen tech, all in one sleek, understated package, why settle for anything less? If this ride blew your mind like it did mine, hit that like button. Let me know in the comments. Would you pick the S8 over an M5 or E63? And if you're into cars that break the mold and rewrite the rules, you already know what to do. Subscribe for more. Catch you in the next one.